Have you ever looked at your monthly bank statement and felt a knot in your stomach? It starts with that $20 charge for ChatGPT, then $20 for Claude, another $25 for Midjourney. Maybe you're shelling out for Grok, Gemini Ultra, or specialized coding assistants like Cursor. Before you know it, you're spending $200, $300, or even $500 every single month just to stay relevant in the AI gold rush. But here's the cold, hard truth that the big tech companies don't want you to know. Even with all those subscriptions, you are still the bottleneck. You're the one jumping between tabs. You're the one trying to figure out if Claude writes better code than GPT 5.2. You're the one copy-pasting text, prompts, and results back and forth like a digital bricklayer. You are paying hundreds of dollars for tools, but you're still doing 100% of the manual labor. Well, starting today, the labor era of AI is officially dead. Stop being a user and start being a leader. Act like the CEO of your own AI startup. Introducing RemoteAI, the world's first OpenClaw-powered set and forget AI empire that runs on your own dedicated private server that we give you for free. This isn't just another login to a chatbot. This is a massive paradigm shift. When you get RemoteAI today, we don't just give you a user and a password. We spin up your very own dedicated VPN server running the revolutionary OpenClaw engine. This is your private, high-speed command center that stays online 24/7, 365, even while you sleep. While your competitors are struggling to write a prompt, your RemoteAI Ghost server is already executing 1,000 tasks on your behalf. The AI Vault, 100+ premium models at your fingertips. RemoteAI gives you unlimited, unrestricted access to the heavy hitters that usually cost a fortune. We're talking over 100+ premium paid AI models, the highest configuration versions, all under one roof. ChatGPT 5.2 PRO, the gold standard for versatility. Claude 4.6 Opus and Sonnet, for the most human-like nuanced writing and coding on Earth. Gemini 3.1 Pro, Google's massive power for analyzing entire libraries of data. Grok 4.20 for Trump-like hockey videos and unfiltered raw intelligence. DeepSeek 3.2, the new king of logic and coding efficiency. Llama 4, the powerhouse open source model that crushes benchmarks. And 90+ more, every premium model you've ever heard of, and the secret ones you haven't. What is OpenClaw? The brain that actually does things. Most AI just talks. OpenClaw acts. RemoteAI is powered by the OpenClaw autonomous engine. It's not just a window where you type questions. It's an agent with hands and eyes. While you are sleeping, hiking, or playing with your kids, OpenClaw is working on your dedicated server to handle the tasks that used to suck the life out of your day. The Zero Inbox Stream. It doesn't just draft emails. It logs into your accounts and replies to them, handling clients and leads while you're offline. Instant social media empires. Tell OpenClaw to build me an Instagram niche brand, and watch as it sets up the profile, generates the content, and schedules the posts autonomously every day while replying to comments and sliding into DMs. The Ticket Sniper. Want front row seats to a sold-out show? OpenClaw stays awake to buy those concert tickets the millisecond they go on sale, beating the bots and the crowds. The 3 AM Concierge. Need a table at the city's most exclusive, impossible-to-book restaurant? OpenClaw monitors the booking systems 24/7 and snags that table at 3 AM the moment a spot opens up. Persistent long-term memory. Unlike regular chatbots that forget you the moment you close the tab, RemoteAI has a digital soul. It remembers your preferences, your business goals, your past projects, and your writing style. It gets smarter and more you every single day. Your private ghost server. Total freedom, zero risk. Because RemoteAI runs on our dedicated VPN servers, you are finally free from the hardware trap. Zero local resources. You don't need a $3,000 MacBook Pro. RemoteAI runs seamlessly on our own hardware. Zero electricity costs. Stop leaving your PC on overnight to process data. Our servers stay powered up so you don't have to pay the bill. Total security and privacy. Since everything happens on a separate encrypted VPN server, your personal computer is never exposed to security risks or prying eyes. Your data stays yours. Why puzzle it out yourself? Why pay for all these models and have to do all the work yourself? Why waste hours thinking about how to tell the AI what you want, and then figuring out if GPT or Claude is better for a specific task? RemoteAI and OpenClaw do the thinking for you. It intelligently routes every task to the perfect model, executes the workflow, and delivers the result. It all works in 3 simple steps. 1. Log into your RemoteAI Cloud dashboard. 2. Deploy your OpenClaw engine. With one click, your private VPN server is live and loaded with 100+ premium models. 3. Give a command, or let it use its memory to suggest one, and watch as RemoteAI builds your digital assets, manages your day-to-day life like an executive assistant, or skyrockets your business in seconds. This is real power with 0 restrictions. Normally, a setup this powerful, with dedicated servers, private VPNs, and $1,000 plus worth of monthly AI subscriptions, would be reserved for the Silicon Valley elite. Today, we are trashing the monthly fees. You pay one small fee and get lifetime access to the world's most powerful AI models on your own private server. No more $20 per month bleed. No more manual labor. The offer is closing soon. Don't stay stuck in the chatbot era while the world moves into the AI CEO era. Click the button below to secure your dedicated RemoteAI server right now.